Again, very good morning, class. I hope you all are fine. Okay, today I'm going to discuss one topic of Unit 5 of Marketing Management. The unit is same, but the topic is different. Today we will discuss about the organization. In first video, we have discussed about planning, that is first part of Unit 5. In second, we will study about organization. What is actually organization? How we should organize a product. Organization, what is organization? Organization is defined as a group of people working together. So what is organization? When a group of people work together to achieve a common goal and objectives of the business. जब सारे ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल एक साथ काम करते हैं क्या अचीव करने के लिए अपनी कॉमन गोल्स और ऑब्जेक्टिव किसके बिजनेस के. मार्केटिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हमें क्या प्रोवाइड करता है व्हीकल्स for making decisions so that we can make decisions on the product, marketing channel, physical distribution, promotion and prices. Next, this is first para was about organization. The second para is regarding what is actually marketing organization. Marketing organization is actually a framework for the planning and making a marketing decision that are actually essential to the marketing success. Of course, it is very much essential. If you want success in the market, we should follow all the marketing decision. It is a vehicle for making the decision on the marketing area. What are the marketing areas on which we should make a decision? Product, price, place and promotion. There are the 4 marketing areas on the basis of which we should make some decision, that is product, price, place and promotion. Marketing organization actually is a group of marketing person working together towards attainment of the certain common goals. So in simply we write this definition. So marketing organization is a group of people who work together in order to achieve the common goals and objectives of the business. I hope it is clear. Next, this is the definition which we have read just now in the first slide. Marketing organization is a framework for the planning and marketing making decisions that are essentials to the marketing success. It is a vehicle for making the decisions on all the marketing areas such as product, place, price and promotion. Marketing organization is a group of a marketing person that are working together towards attainment of the certain common objective. मार्केटिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हमें एक प्रोवाइड करता है सिस्टम जो कि एक रिलेशनशिप होता है अमंग द वेरियस मार्केटिंग फंक्शन दैट मस्ट बी परफॉर्म बाय कोऑर्डिनेटिव अमंग द मार्केटिंग पीपल. ऑफ कोर्स हमें ये सारे फंक्शंस को परफॉर्म करना है अपने जितने भी मार्केटिंग पीपल्स हैं उनके साथ कोऑर्डिनेट करके. नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, एक्चुअली व्हाट आर द नीड्स फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. क्या नीड्स होनी चाहिए जो हमें उन्हें फॉलो करनी चाहिए. टू बी कॉम्पिटेटिव इन द मार्केट. अगर हम कॉम्पिटेटिव बनना चाहते हैं मार्केट में, वेयर द कंज्यूमर इज अ किंग. ऑफकोर्स इन द मार्केट द कंज्यूमर इज किंग. We need to satisfy the consumer. Of course, all the needs of the consumer should be satisfied. If the needs of the consumer is not satisfied, then you are not good at all in marketing of the products. So a good marketing organization requires to satisfy the customer. Marketing organization is what? Is a pillar for the success to the many organization and provides a framework for the following. What are the frameworks that market organization provide? First one, divide and fix authority among the subordinates. Of course, जितनी भी अथॉरिटी है वो क्या करेगी? डिवाइड करेगी, फिक्स करेगी सारी अथॉरिटीज. सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को लोकेट किया जाएगा. टू स्टैब्लिश अ सेल्स रूटीन. ऑफ कोर्स ऑल द सेल्स रूटीन शुड बी स्टैब्लिश. We have to enforce, we have to focus on the proper supervision of the sales force. हमें repetitive dues को avoid करना है. To enable the top executive ताकि वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपना टाइम कहाँ पे डिवोट करें? प्लानिंग पॉलिसी मैटर्स में. These are all the needs of the organization. Next, what are the factors that affecting the market organization? First of all, what are the factors that is affecting them? There are so many factors. First one, there are 2 types of the factors. First is internal factors that are affecting the marketing Internal factors are those factors that is considered internally, and external factors are those factors that are considered outside the organization. First, we will see what are internal. Top management philosophy, organization planning and its working is generally influenced by the philosophy. Of course, जितनी भी planning है, जितनी भी working है, कौन influence करते हैं? Philosophy. Which can be good or bad? Example, centralization versus decentralization. Second, product policy. The width of the product line of an organization क्या डिटरमाइन करते हैं कि उसकी क्या साइज होनी चाहिए प्रोडक्ट के, वो क्या ऑफर करते हैं ताकि उनका जो इफेक्ट है वो इंक्रीज ना हो, मतलब they should not get a diverse effect should be increased. There could be a need to move away from the straight functional approach to the product group approach. Of course, they have to move. उन्हें straight functional approach से move करके कहाँ पे जाना पड़ेगा? Product group approach में. Next point, people. The size of the organization is not an important factor. जो हमारा size है organization का वो हमारे लिए important factor नहीं है in terms of the number of people. But it is important in respect to the human value. Of course, it is very important कि हम जितनी भी human values हैं उनको respect करते हैं. Which are critical, of course, they are the correct decisions. Regarding the people cannot be made unless taken into a consideration. अगर हम किसी people का decision ले रहे हैं, we should consider all these points while making decision of any person in the business or in the market. First of all, we have to see number. What actually number they are following? How many numbers are? How many peoples are there? Qualification, how much is he or she is educated. Capabilities, what capabilities he should follow, he or she should follow. Personality, how he or she personality affect the market. Attitude, fear, suspicions and ambitions. All these functions we have to consider while making decision regarding the important people. First we have read about the internal factors. Now we are coming here with an external factors. What are business environment? In external factor, the first point is business environment. With regard to the business environment, the 3 points are important. The type of environment in which the firm is operating in terms of operation and size. मतलब आखिर कौन सी environment है, ऐसी कौन सी environment है जिसमें firm जो है operate कर रही है. The nature of particular requirement, आखिर क्या nature है सक्सेस, एक बिजनेस को सक्सीड करने के लिए. थर्ड क्या है, हमारा रेट ऑफ एक्सचेंज कैसा होना चाहिए जो बिल्कुल अच्छा साइज हो और उसकी वर्किंग भी प्रॉपर हो. मार्केट, दिस इज द फैक्टर विच अगेन अफेक्ट्स द मार्केट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. हमें इसे नोट कर लेना चाहिए कौन कौन से मार्केट में आते हैं. साइज, स्कोप, नेचर और उसकी लोकेशन. Beside on the above aspect, there are some designs that we should be followed regarding an organization. First is that is the consumer requirement and expectation. आखिर consumer की क्या requirement होती है, उनकी क्या expectations है. The consumer have their own set of requirement और उनकी own set of expectation होती है और from the organization की organization ने जो इस बार product produce करा है मे भी वो अगले साल उससे बेहतर product produce करे. उनकी expectations होती हैं कि organization से simply. The more weird and the more varied and weird service they accept that a usual requirement, मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा varied और बहुत ही ज़्यादा vivid service को वो accept करते हैं. As a marketer, we need to increase the workload. हमें workload increase करना है depending upon the consumer requirement और acceptation. Of course, जितने भी marketers हैं उन्हें अपना workload increase करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि customer उनसे क्या demand कर रहे हैं, better से better product. उनकी acceptation कैसी है, higher है. उनकी एक्सेप्टेशन कैसी है मार्केटर से, बहुत हाई है कि इस साल अगर उन्होंने कुछ अच्छा प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूस करे तो अगले साल वो उससे और से अच्छा प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूस करेंगे. Sorry, by mistake was done. Next is that is a channel of distribution. What is the channel of distribution we should follow? It is a type of channel of distribution. It is a type of the channel of distribution which a marketing firm select based on its size. जो कि एक marketing firm को select करना चाहिए अपने size के. In case the company opts for indirect channel or channel, अगर by chance कंपनी ने opt कर लिया indirect channel या channel, इस किसके ऊपर डिपेंड होंगे, outside seed process, और hence the organization gets the manner. Of course, the gets a winner. When the organization select the direct channel, Its size is it increase and has to face the own sale forces. मतलब अगर बाई चांस अगर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अपना डायरेक्ट चैनल को सेलेक्ट करेंगे तो उनकी साइज कैसा होगा, इंक्रीज होगा. उन्हें अपना अपना अलग से सेल प्रोसेस को यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. इनडायरेक्ट में उन्हें ऐसा कुछ नहीं करना है. दे विल फॉलो दैट प्रोसेस विच द मार्केटर हैज़ टू प्रोवाइड. नाउ सी व्हाट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ मार्केटिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर. आखिर टाइप क्या है इनके. पहला टाइप क्या है, द मार्केटिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ द बिजनेस कैन बी स्ट्रक्चर्ड इन द फॉलोइंग बेसिस. सबसे पहला क्या है, लाइन एंड स्टाफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. वी हैव टू सी कि वेदर द स्टाफ विच वी आर फॉलोइंग इट इज बेटर और नॉट. फंक्शनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ऑल द फंक्शंस दैट वी आर परफॉर्मिंग इट शुड बी अप टू द मार्क. प्रोडक्ट ओरिएंटेशन मार्केटिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, जितने भी मार्केट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है वो सारे क्या होने चाहिए, प्रोडक्ट ओरिएंटेशन. Customer oriented market organization, of course they should be customer oriented. Geography oriented marketing organization, they should all be geography oriented marketing organization. Metrics form in a combined base. Okay, this video covers only the part 1 of organization. In the next video I am going to teach you the second part of organization structure. If you like this, thank you student for watching this video. I hope you understand each and every point. If you didn't understand each and every point, then message me or ask me. If you like this video, then please press the like button. Thank you for watching this video.